Hey guys, Candida here, and I love fudge brownies. Not only are they easy to make, but they taste good too. So all we've got to do is open up our box, and we're going to pour our mix into our bowl. And then we are going to add our oil in. We've got to mix in our oil. We've got to mix in 3 tablespoons of water. So we're going to go ahead and pour our water in. That way we can make sure that we've got all of our ingredients going in. And then we've got to add in 2 eggs. And so we're going to go ahead, put our eggs in the bowl, and that's it. Now all we've got to do is stir the brownies. And so we're just going to keep whipping them up, and we're going to give it a really good stir and make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed up nice and smooth. We want to make sure that we get all of the sides off the bowl, and we just have a very nice mixture. So they're simple, easy to make, just a few ingredients and a little bit of stirring, and pretty soon I am going to have some nice fresh brownies ready to eat. So we give it a good stirring, and here you go. You can see what it looks like. Hope you enjoyed this review.